So viewers, after a long traveling by our car, we at last reached to the Khalti Lake at Gupis Valley. Our traveling was very long due to long distance, and the road was not, the condition of the road was not so good, so it takes 3 hours continuously to reach this lake. And just now we have stopped here. And by the way, this lake is very beautiful, very beautiful. It's a very beautiful place and a scenic area. The lake has a very great view here, as you see behind my back side. This is the Khalti Lake. I think it's very long, and the water here is very cold. A lot of trout fish is available in this lake, and people are coming over here especially to catch the trout fish. I'm totally surprised to see here that there is no any facility for the tourists, no any hotel, no restaurant, no facilities, but the place is very beautiful. Khalti Lake has a greater potential to attract a lot of tourists, and it can generate high employment for the local people, and it has a very great potential to create economic activity in this area. And now we have planned to fishing on the lake, and we have brought all the equipments related to the fishing. So now we will start our fishing session. So we have some guests here, and I would like to ask about their arrival here in Khalti Lake. So where you come from?
I come from Swat.
What's your name?
My name is Azhar Khan.
Azhar Khan has come from Swat, and especially to Gilgit-Baltistan, and today he has visited Khalti Lake especially to visit. And what was your interest to visit to Khalti Lake? What was your special interest?
We are crossing the road, but see here.
By the way, you have stay here.
Yeah.
So there is no any facility here. The lake is very beautiful.
Only available trout.
Unfortunately, these areas are not developed for the tourists.
Backward area.
We can easily imagine that the tourism of this area, how beautiful these places, and the tourism of this area can boost the economy of the region. And poverty alleviation, the tourism has a great potential to alleviate poverty, and so much employment generation for the local people. Tourism industry. The tourism industry of Gilgit-Baltistan is very vast, and it has potential to survive the economy of the region as well as the economy of Pakistan.